The Khunjirab Pass, a major land port on the China-Pakistan border in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, resumed passenger customs clearance on Monday.
我是从那个西安过来的，就是个人开车自驾过去，开到他们的首都伊斯兰堡，到时候再折返回来。其实还是比较兴奋、高兴的。从我刚开始进去到现在，很快就把手续都办好了，我觉得还是效率很高的。
According to the Khunjirab Customs, the import and export cargo volume at the Khunjirab Pass topped 200,000 tons from 2016 to 2020. Located approximately 5,000 meters above sea level, the Khunjirab Pass is a major trade station between China and Pakistan and an important gateway to South Asia and Europe. China imports mainly textiles, agricultural products, and daily commodities at the land port, and exports mainly plants and herbs.